Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making something really fun. I have a brand new axolotl mold from Let's Resin. Just take a look at it. Isn't it adorable? And what I love about the Let's Resin molds is that these are actually made of high grade silicone, and this one tells you how much resin to use so you don't waste anything. Today we're going to be using regular epoxy resin from Let's Resin, and also some flakes and powders also from Let's Resin. Everything I'm using today is listed down below in the description. Let's start by prepping the mold. So let's pick a few fun colors. I think I'm going to stay in the pink and purple range. Okay, so I got three colors: champagne, plum, and magenta. Taking our brush, we're going to paint the powder directly onto the mold. And to make it interesting, I'm going to make the feet blue. And a bit of the tail too. Alright, and we are done. So take a look. I think it's going to turn out really good. I can't wait. Okay, so now let's pour the resin. Let's go ahead and measure out our resin. So I'm going to do it all in 1 cup, and the mold says that we need 4.5 ounces of resin. So just to be safe, I'm going to make about 5 ounces. Let's go ahead and mix it up. Okay, the resin is mixed, and let's go ahead and put in some flakes. I don't know if we'll see a lot of the flakes, but let's put it in anyways. Okay, that's a lot of flakes. Let's give it a good mix. Oh wow, this is looking so pretty. Alright, and let's go ahead and pour it into the mold. So we're going to start with the frills, making sure that the resin does get into the little cavities and there are no air bubbles. So I'm just going to press it in with my stick here to make sure if there are any air bubbles that it would come out. And give this a little squeeze here, making sure there are no air bubbles. And make sure to fill up the feet. Alright, and now we wait for it to cure. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and our axolotl is cured. I can't wait to take it out. So let's go ahead and pop it out. Oh my gosh, look at the toes. So the head was a little bit difficult to get out, but as you can see, this mold, the silicone mold is actually very, very strong, so it is still very much intact. So it did not tear or rip. And here is our axolotl. Oh my goodness, how pretty is that? This is so, so pretty, you guys. I love the little blue feet here, a little bit on the tail, and it's so shimmery. Okay, so now we need to color in the eyes. So I'm going to take my ultra black and let's go ahead and paint in the eyes. Alright everyone, and our axolotl is done. Just take a look at this. This is so, so cute. So the underside is actually clear, so you can see all the colorful iridescent flakes inside. And on the outside, you can kind of see it in the belly here. But for the most part, you're seeing the colors from the powder. This turned out so, so beautiful. Alright everyone, so what do you think? Do you like my axolotl? If you do, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye!